Hi there, welcome to Changes for a Lifetime, the channel where you can expect to learn something new each week. It could be a plant-based recipe, it could be a garden tip when it's in season, it could be a lifestyle change or something new that you learn that you want to implement in your life, or it could be a beauty DIY. We make products together. Today it's going to be a plant-based recipe. Keep watching. Quick and easy time to subscribe, like, and share. Keep watching, y'all. This is going to be so good and easy to make and delicious. Keep watching. Today's video is how to make amazing avocado toast. The other day I went to Dunkin' Donuts and they had avocado toast for $3, $2.99 with tax. We're over $3. I thought to myself, you all, we can make this ourselves. So here's the recipe, how to make it. It's delicious. Flavorful? Let's do this. Start off with a real ripe avocado. I'm sure we know how to slice it. Let's go all the way around. Meet back up where you started. Twist. This is perfect. This is how you want it to be, kind of soft. Spoon it out. Get all of it out. And then to get the seed out, take a knife. This is already loose. Okay, spoon this out. I got a little bit of the seed in there, seed shell, so just take that out if it comes out. Just don't want to be wasteful. So now we're going to mash it. If your avocado is ripe enough, you won't have a problem mashing it. You can just use a fork. And you gotta think, you need to mash it so that it's going to be spreadable on your toast or your English muffin, whatever you want to use. You can also use a potato masher, but you really don't need that. This is working well. I really like a little bit of texture anyway. So here it is. See the consistency of it? See it? Okay. So now the spice part. Half a teaspoon of salt, or you can do less, depending on how much salt you like. I said a half a teaspoon. I meant a quarter teaspoon. Oh, that would be too much. But we do want a half a teaspoon of sesame seeds. Okay. And just a sprinkle of parsley. No need to measure, just a little bit. See how it's looking? Okay. 1 garlic clove. Oh, 1 garlic clove. I probably use this little device right here many times a day. It's coming out. Grater. I think this is called a grater. And then ginger. So not to be wasteful, I'm going to show you a quick trick. Take a quick trick. Ugh. Take a spoon and just peel it like so. We're not going to use a lot of ginger because it will kick up the flavor way too much. It's kind of a peppery, lemony kind of flavor, but it's very, very strong. And just grate a little bit, just a little bit. You have to put pressure on the grater. That may be a half a teaspoon. And that's it, you all. We're gonna mix it up. I'm gonna show you how to make this in the description box below with the directions written down. Mix it good, okay? So you make your toast the way you normally do at home. And then you just spread this on there. So if you want to add a little bit more flavor, you can add a lemon or a lime, half of it. Squeeze it in there. Break it It will also keep it from oxidizing and turning brown so fast, because that's what the avocado will do. But one avocado is good enough for maybe 3 or 4 slices of bread. So I'm going to put this on my toast. Be back, taste test by myself. So I've made my toast here. Put a little bit of Earth Balance vegan butter on here. Cooked it on the stove top. Nice dollop of this avocado toast. Don't be stingy. Pile it on. And you can eat it just like this, or sprinkle a little bit of pepper on it. I like sesame seeds, a little bit more. Eat it just like this, you all. Or tomatoes on there. You really could put another piece of toast on here and eat it like a sandwich. I haven't done that yet, but it's so versatile and it's so good. And this is it. If you've learned something today, subscribe. Share it with the people that you love. You all can whip this up at home. Excellent. See you next week. Thumbs up if you liked it. Peace and blessings. I'll see you on the next video.